Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll learn how to make circular pattern on plane surface as well as on cylindrical surface in SolidWorks. So let's get started. When we open SolidWorks, this window will open first. Now select new, select part and click OK. First we'll change this IPS to millimeter gram seconds and change this background to plain white. You can select any background. Now select top plane, select sketch. Now we'll draw one sketch here, then we'll revolve it to make a ring. So select line. You can select line from here as well. Now we'll draw the sketch. Now we'll give dimensions to this sketch. Select smart dimension. We'll give length 50 mm. Select this line. Here we'll give 60 mm. Select this line. We'll make it 30. Again select this line. We'll make it 40 mm. Select this origin point and this point. We'll make it 40 mm. Now the sketch is fully defined, but we have to draw one center line here. Again select line and draw one line here. Select this line and convert it to construction line. Now go to the features, select revolve boss base and click OK here. Now right click on this surface, select sketch, select normal to. Now we'll draw one circle here, select circle, select smart dimension, again select this circle. We'll give diameter 45. Now select center point of circle and the origin point. We'll give distance 120 mm. Select. Now select center point. Hold the control key, select the origin point and give relation vertical. Click OK. Now we'll extrude this circle. Go to the feature, select extruded boss base. Increase the length and click OK here. Now right click on this circular surface, select sketch, select normal to. Now we'll draw one circle here, then we'll cut it. Select circle, draw one circle here, select smart dimension, again select circle. We'll give diameter 25. Now select center point and the origin point. Again we'll give distance 120 mm. Again select center point, hold the control key, select origin and give relation vertical. Click OK. Now go to the feature, select extruded cut and select here through all. Click OK. Now we'll see how to make circular pattern on plane surface. Drop down this linear pattern and select circular pattern. In this option of features and faces, select this both outer and inner surface. Now select direction 1 option and select this circular portion. You can increase or decrease the number of instances. We'll keep it 10. If you want this pattern only in half portion, then change this 360 degree to 180 degree. You can see it will make pattern like this. Again we'll change this to 360 degree. Now click OK. Now we'll see how to make circular pattern on cylindrical surface. First we'll make one plane here. Go to the reference geometry, select plane. Select the small arrow. Now we have feature manager option here. In this option of first reference, we'll select top plane as reference. Increase this distance. Now click OK. Right click on the plane, select sketch, select normal to. Now we'll draw one circle here. Select circle, select smart dimension, select this circle. We'll give diameter 25. Now select center point and origin point. Give distance 50 mm. Select. Again select center point, hold the control key, select origin point. Give relation vertical, click OK. Now go to the feature, select extruded cut. We'll decrease this depth. Now click OK. Again drop down this linear pattern, select circular pattern. Here in the features and faces option, select this circular face. Now select direction 1. Now select this cylindrical surface. You can increase or decrease the instances from here. And click OK. Now we'll apply material. Go to the appearance. Select metals. Select any metal you want. For now we'll select this steel. Drag this polished steel, drop on the block and select body. So today we have learned how to make circular pattern on plane surface as well as on cylindrical surface. Try to make it. If you have any query, ask in the comment section. If you find this video informative, like this video and subscribe to the channel for upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching the video.